The famous chicken breast rolls. Everyone loves it when I make them. Start by cutting 3 chicken breasts. Cut them in half, lengthwise. Next, pound them with the knife to soften them. Season each of them with 1 pinch of salt, 1 pinch of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of cream cheese, and spread. Next, add 50 grams of grated mozzarella cheese, 1 pinch of garlic powder, half a slice of tomato, and roll them up just like this. Transfer them to a medium baking dish and set aside. Next, in a small bowl, add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of mustard, and mix until combined. Next, brush the chicken rolls with this mixture. Take to a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Meanwhile, in a large skillet over medium heat, add 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter and stir until fully melted. If you've made it here, that means you're enjoying our recipe. So, click the share button and share this video with all your friends. It won't cost you anything, but for us, it will make all the difference. When that happens, add 2 slices of bread chopped into cubes and stir until golden brown. Leave us a comment with the name of the city from which you're watching this. I'd like to give you a shout out and thank you for sharing this recipe. This is the right point. After that, in a medium bowl, add 1 cucumber chopped into half moons, 1 red onion chopped into thin strips, 150 grams of halved cherry tomatoes, 100 grams of mozzarella cheese chopped into small cubes, parsley to taste, the juice of 1 lime, 1 drizzle of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, the toasts we prepared earlier, and mix until combined. This is the right mix. Once the chicken rolls have baked through, add 150 grams of grated mozzarella all over them, and parsley to taste. Take it back to the oven and bake until the cheese melts and browns. That recipe is ready. You may now serve with the salad we made and enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Now, I'll head to the comments section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye-bye.